Hi, here's the DelTick Trading Academy, Michael Melikov, and today's March 6, 2016. We are looking at Euro. It's a mini contract E7, current contracts March 2016. Here is a weekly chart of Euro E7, and what we have here. So not enough data in Ninja Traders, so I've made it here. It was made low on March 2000, year 2000, when it started to trade euro, and low was 0.82311 on that day. So see, it was low. And what we have here, the high was established. Again, it's a weekly chart. The high was established on the week of July 18, 2008. And since then, we started to decline. So that was a low, prior low. And we made a horizontal line, and we see if we break that low. So decline here, and again, what we pointing out is that level was broken here. So 382 first level was broken here, and our target now is that level, 50%. So that's by the rule. And probability of this event is very high unless we take out that high 161. Okay, let's see what happened. We went up, down, up, and we broke that level here. So that's our current data on that chart. So we broke that level again here, and we went almost to 50% and started to advance. Now, what we are looking at, first of all, that level was broken too. So our major target is right here now. So let's move it, arrow, and we have it here. Now, what's going to happen if we break that low, 120.47, and that was support 118. So it's a 200 pips between those levels. So our level and target, once we break that one, will be first, of course, this one, right? Okay, now look here, lower high, unless we break that one, we're going down, of course. Okay, now let's see. Okay, you see here, we made that level, and we made that level too. First, second. So what is in here? It's a buy level. Why? First of all, because here is a cluster, and 61.8, which is a Fibonacci, and a golden ratio plus extension, first extension here. But even if we buy, we don't know how low we can go. So our target is stop is here, and if we break it, then we might see this level. Probability is less, 78.6, but at least that level. And why is probability is less? Because it's 78.6, so higher probability breaking one level, and it's at 38.2, 50%, 61.8%. So probability is lower, but of course it still exists. From that extension, we're going to be here, and we made it. Now, if we bounce from here, where we go? We go back to that level because it was support broken. So that's our target here. So if we buy here 112 like 40, and target is 117.80, so it's 500 pips. It's pretty big, huh? Okay, let's see what happened. We broke it. We broke it, and again, but stop in place. If it didn't take that, say, profit here, then we at least break even. So we didn't lose anything. Let's see what's going on next. And if we remember, we've made that low and started to bounce. And target is first target is here, and second target is here. And what we could do from a recent low here, we can make a retracement, and let's see what happened. Okay, we made exactly that level and started to decline. So unless we break those levels here, we're going to go down and probably see those levels. Okay, so that's where we are right now. Okay, that's a weekly chart. Let's go to daily chart. Okay, here is a daily chart. And again, on a daily chart, same idea. So that was low, 11 year 2000. Then that was high. And then we started to double top, started to decline. Okay, and we've made it here. And what is pointed out here, first, that level was broken. So our target is 50% level. And let's see what happened. Okay, we made that level. Why is that one? From that high to that low. First, second, third. 168. Again, golden ratio, 168. So we made it exactly. And now we have high, we have low, we have levels here. These ones, levels. And of course, our first target is right here. So we made it. We broke it. Again, once we hold in that level, we can bounce. How big bounce could be? Well, it could be like this. %, especially with the 61. That's why we are here. So that's our cluster and our target. And 38.2 and 50% and 61%. So that's how we went up. But nevertheless, broken that level. We need to go to that level unless that high will be taken. If it's not the case, then we're going to see that level. So here is a 618 retracement, which could be sell short. Okay, and we're going to see that level. It's pretty big movement if we're going to see that one. And of course we know. So coming to that level, very important support here. Okay, that level was broken and we're going to see that level, which almost happened here. Okay, now low, high, and again we have levels. Here we are, we broke that level. So no question about we're going to see that level, no question. Here we hit that level. Again, this is a 50% level. And we broke it. So it means we're going to 61% level, which is right here. And again, let's remove it. Let's remove it. Here. Let's make extension here. And that's our target, which is a cluster, of course. And as we explained into the level of on a weekly chart, we're going to see this. Okay, and let's see. Okay, we hit that level, which was a buy. And again, we started to go up a little to hit that level. Of course, it was a resistance, 272, extension from here to here. And again, if we buy, our exit here and breaking even stop. So we didn't lose, but we went down, and our level going to be somewhere here. Okay, that's where we are. Now, let's go back to our weekly chart. Okay, so as you see here, it's all bearish, all bearish. It's not bullish. And that level was broken. It means our target from that high to that low here, from that high to that low here, from that low to that high, 7.6 here. So it's bearish. So no question about it. Let's go to daily chart. On a daily chart, again, it's all bearish, but that's what we can take into consideration. You see that low. You see that low, which is our double bottom. And what we're going to see here, first of all, that high, previous high from that low. So once we break it up, we might see, and again, it was big support here. It was support. From that support, we went up big. So anyway, that support will become resistance. When? We don't know when, but it could be from here, from those low. We don't know that. So two chances, two opportunities, going higher from that level or going lower from that level. Okay, now let's go back to 60-minute chart. And that's our trading setup. We're going to trade it. Okay, so what we got here, 8/23 year 2015, and it's a December, which is 105, and so that was low. Okay, that was low, and where we are. Okay, so what we got here? So we got here low, we got here high, and let's make it bigger, stretch it, and okay, so high, low. First level is right here, second level is right here, third level is right here. So what we got here, guys, we hit 382 level precisely, exactly to that level, and we have 38.2 came from that retracement on a bigger scale, bigger time frame. So 382, 382, and that high. Okay, so another one, 100% projection came here from previous drop. So we have big cluster, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, 5 lines, and if we clear it, we're going to go at least to 50%. Once we clear that one, we're going to 61%. So let's see. Here is a 110.70 to 111.08. So 36 pips we're going to get. And difference between here is another 65. So 100 pips from here to here. 100 pips. Or this is low. And if we're going to get it out, then we're going to see that level, and then we're going to see this level, which is a 786 from move, this move. We already pointed it out. So where are we going to up or down? We don't know. We don't know. But again, it's not much from here to see we going up. So based on a daily chart again, let's get back to daily chart. Based on that move, we are seeing bigger picture here, and if that double bottom holds and that first line will be taken, and this will be taken another one, so we're going to see much bigger move up, 114 Here is a 120, so it's 600 pips, by the way. And we may take a position and hold it. What is here? RSI is in between. It's not overbought, not oversold. And by the way, you see here divergence, which was buy with a stop below that low, and up we might go. So that's our analysis for Euro E7 contract, and it will be expire this month. Thank you, DelTick Trading Academy, Mark Melikov. Until next evaluation.